Alright, today we are going to be replacing the Sun with Wolf 359, Barnard star, Proxima Centauri, Wolf 1061, Sirius A, Altair, Alpha Centauri A, and Alhena. Alright, replacing the Sun with Wolf 359. It's a type red dwarf with a diameter of 0.16 times the Sun. Replacing the Sun with Barnard star. It's a type red dwarf with a diameter of 0.2 times the Sun. Replacing the Sun with Proxima Centauri. It's a type red dwarf, 0.14 times the Sun. Replacing the Sun with Wolf 1061. It is a red dwarf, 0.31 times the Sun. Replacing the Sun with Sirius A. It's a type white main sequence star with a diameter of 1.71 times the size of the Sun. Replacing the Sun with Altair. It's a type white main sequence star with a diameter of 1.79 times the Sun. Replacing the Sun with Alpha Centauri A. It's a type yellow main sequence star with a diameter of 1.22 times the Sun. Replacing the Sun with Alhena. It's a type blue-white subgiant star with a diameter of 3.3 times the size of the Sun.